we have the coolest looking rocket. Will you see this thing? This is actually X-Force from Dominator Fireworks. So it's a 12 pack. These come 12 to a pack. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. This is so flippin' cool. And what I like about this, you put it right on the ground. Fuse is long enough, you can bend it up. Look at this. And you just light it right up in the air. So we're going to go check this out right away. We're going to go out to the street pad, and let's see if we can keep tracking this as we film. This is going to be cool. All right, off to the street pad. All right. So from afar, it doesn't look really fancy, right? But watch this.